Thanks for tuning in and taking a look at this beautiful Platinum Coach Phoenix built on the only certified chassis from Cadillac, that being the XT5. So this coach has the lighter titanium interior with titanium curtains and the Alicante floor. Want some options to help the coach pay for itself? Take a look at this beautiful built-in urn carrier here, which will give your families options on using the coach during a cremation service. So this coach has the more common closed church truck, which will give you a little bit more room to put flowers while storing your church truck completely underneath the casket floor. This coach has a couple really nice options, that being the pillar chrome, beautiful half painted slick top, along with the crown band. So this coach is equipped with the 20-inch wheels with the Vogue white wall tires. Keep your procession safe with the optional 4-way Clear Strobes, as you can see, are already affixed to this vehicle. Wondering about the interior of this coach? You don't have to worry about that. It has plenty of leg room. Everything is at your fingertips. Technology in this vehicle is what you would expect. So this vehicle is loaded with safety features, collision avoidance in the front, and also rear-facing camera with sensors. Another couple nice features this vehicle has is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Interested in this coach? Give us a call today, 800-229-5008, or check us out on the web at www.parksuperior.com. Thanks.